Welcome to EDU World Space.
Now let's solve the problem from coordination compounds. In this problem, we have been given that a compound is formed between carbon monoxide and nickel, and the product of this reaction is NiCO whole 4. For this, first we have to answer the oxidation number of nickel in this compound. Since carbonyl, that is carbon monoxide ligand, is a neutral ligand, so the oxidation number of nickel in this compound is 0. Next, it asks the this compound is diamagnetic with a tetrahedral geometry. What is the electronic configuration of nickel in this compound? Since nickel is in zero oxidation state, so the electronic configuration of nickel in this compound is argon, then 3d8 4s2. Next, we have to tell the name of this compound using the nomenclature rules. So this compound will be named as tetracarbonyl nickel 0, because 0 is the oxidation number of nickel.